So it turns out it was quite easy to get these little feet on, and I've now gone just by letting gravity hold it together, and my wonderful little cup there to stand it on, and I've then gone and made a wheel for one side. But I thought the wheel's a bit tricky to make, so I'll show you how I went about making that wheel. First of all, I round off one end of that stick. If you happen to have paddle pop sticks, it's probably rounded off already. But cutting the end of this off like that is most likely, for such a small section, most likely going to crack through the centre. So what I did instead is use this ruler and put that piece close to the edge of a table, and then broken that section off there like that. Then I can use the scissors to cut little pieces off that end, rotating it round each time, getting closer and closer to becoming a circle. Make sure you look at it a lot, otherwise if you cut too much off, you're going to have to end up doing it again. And always leave a little bit of work for the sandpaper to finish that job. So I'm going to use that sandpaper, and as I sand it, I'm going to roll that on the sandpaper, roll it across. So roll it across. Work on any pointy bits. And once that's fairly round, I'm going to then focus on just sanding those surfaces to get that part looking really nice. So I'm going to move on to my finer sandpaper. If you're lucky enough to have a couple of grades of sandpaper, it's going to make your life a bit easier. Sand those surfaces and sand those edges to make it look a little bit more like a tyre. And it's really easy to glue this wheel on, because we just turn the plane on its side and let gravity again do the clamping for us while it dries. Okay, so I'm not quite finished, but I'll just show you how simple it is to put that last wheel on. So I'm over the edge of the table here, on the cup, put a little double glue on, put the wheel on, and then gently look very careful and adjust that wheel until it's all good. All right, thank you.